was just on location shooting waterfall. The sky was awesome, clouds were all red, but then the camera just wouldn't take an image anymore. Now when I turn it on and then I want to take an image, now the lens hood is taken off, but I don't see anything, and as soon as I press the shutter, boom, error 30, shooting is not possible due to an error, turn off the camera off and on, blah blah blah. Yeah, it doesn't matter, I can turn it off and on and it just remains broken. Maybe the shutter is stuck or something. Why does everything have to break? So much stuff breaks in Iceland. It's unbelievable. Why? It never stops breaking. Like every week something breaks. Maybe I just have a look at the shutter. Maybe we can see that it's stuck. But I hear the shutter sound, right? If I do this, this is a usual sound of the shutter, so it doesn't sound broken. I would expect that the mirror has to go up when I press this. Where is it? This button. Yeah. So, there's a black curtain in front of the sensor. What the hell? Why? So usually what you should see here is a very colorful greenish looking sensor, but it's all black. The only advantage of the black curtain right now is that the sensor won't catch any dust. So looks like before I go anywhere I have to get that Canon camera fixed. Maybe I have to go to Reykjavik once again. Well, on the upside, I think this is the cutest road in Iceland, with many sheeps and baby sheeps. Here we got the thing where the cattle cannot move over, but I can. I hope I can. Just shouldn't fall in between it. Yeah, okay. There we go. There they are, the baby sheeps. Oh, look so cute. Oh. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. now I drove all the way to Reykjavik and found that the camera works again. Works just fine. I don't know what is going on. It's me again.
Hi.
I have a new problem.
Yes.
It would throw error 30 as in shutter broken or something, but it works now. What do you guys do usually when it starts to happen?
It can go in repair. I can make the technologists look at it. Alright.
One eternity later.
So he looked at it and he did not see anything wrong, but he saw that the error did come once. You could see that the error had come. So if you want to make him have a better look at it, then you have to pay 5,000.
I can test it a bit more and see if it happens again.
Yeah.
In the worst case, I have to come again.
Yeah.
And how long do you need for repairing usually?
It could take 1 to 2 weeks or more.
1 or 2 weeks? Oh wow.
There's so many cameras right now in repair.
Because high season is about
Yeah.
to start. But the weather is good now, so I try my luck
Yeah.
with it. Hopefully it works. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye. I wasted a lot of time now, and gas and sleep. Now I need to drive back. So I'm back where it all started. I think I accomplished nothing. Yeah, that rounds it up. Really, that's my style. I think I should mention the name of that waterfall, which is Kværnufoss. Kværnufoss, very near the Skogafoss in Skoga. Barely anyone goes here because it's not that much known, and there are no signs. It's just that hidden path behind various houses. It's nice. You can go behind it and shoot behind the waterfall, and you get that view through this canyon. Now I want to sleep, but maybe I wait for sunrise, because sunrise is in 4 hours. Anyway, I hope you like that vlog. There's not much to like, but if you do, you can hit the like button. Not that it would matter anyway. If you hit the like button, I think nothing changes really. It doesn't have an impact on anything, but you can hit it. It's possible. Actually, I don't know why would someone bother hitting a like button. I did hit like myself on various occasions, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. Also an option. But again, if you hit the dislike button, it doesn't have any impact on anything. It doesn't change anything. It won't make me mad. So you can hit the dislike button if you want. Yeah. And you can hit the subscribe button. that will have an impact. That will change definitely things, because then on your front page you will see my videos if I upload videos. Right now I'm really slowed down on uploading videos. I think by the time I record this video I have 7 other videos in the pipe that I need to edit. So all the videos that you see at the moment they are uploaded, they are already a couple weeks old. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Hit the like button if you want, or the dislike button, or the subscribe button. We had all that, we went through it, no need to go through that again. I just want to say, you can hit the like button. Okay, I think we're done. We're done here. Goodbye.